If you're on social media at all, you've probably seen those AI generated images that if you squint real hard, you can see some text or maybe a logo or an image. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, for this to work, we need to use an extension called ControlNet. We can actually drop in a new one like this spiral. And there we go. We generated this pretty cool image that you can see took influence from the spirals. And then I'm going to drop in my person of choice. This one just happens to be the person who supplies me with my office paper. And there we go. From up close, it looks like a really cool like alcove with some nice trees. And, you know, maybe I'm in like a forest or a swampy area or something. And then when you zoom out, it's my paper supplier. That's pretty cool. Here are just some other fun images that I generated during testing that I thought you might enjoy. So yeah, there's a lot that you can do with this, and just go ahead and have fun with it.